Hello dear students, myself Miss Vaishali Dekate. Welcome to my channel. I am teaching you subject mathematics in standard 6th. In this video, we will continue with chapter number 7, symmetry. We will see how to draw the symmetrical figures in practice set 21. But before that, subscribe my channel by pressing subscribe at right side, and if already subscribed, thank you very much. So children, in practice set 21 we have to draw the symmetrical figure. See here in this on the same page we can see that the symmetrical figures are drawn. Symmetrical figure means it should be exactly same to the given figure. It should match with the given figure. When you fold from the line of symmetry from this line L, these two figures should match exactly with each other. So there are three figures, 1, 2 and 3, and we can see that left hand side is matching equally exactly with the right hand side in all these three figures. So same way we will have to draw the figures in practice set 21. Along each figure shown below, a line L has been drawn. Complete the symmetrical figures by drawing a figure on the other side of line L. That means here in this first figure, the figure is on the upper side of line L, so we have to draw a symmetrical figure on the downward direction, lower side. Okay. And in second figure, the figure is given on the left hand side of this line L, so we have to draw on the right hand side of this line L. Same thing we will have to do on the third figure. In the third figure, the figure is given lower side of the line L, so we have to draw its symmetrical figure on the upper side of line L. So complete the symmetrical figures by drawing the figure on the other side such that the line L becomes the line of symmetry. So if you fold this figure from line L, it should exactly match with the figure which we draw. So let us draw these figures on our graph paper first, and then we will draw the symmetrical figure. See children, you all are having your graph book. You all have done in your previous lesson number 6, graph. Okay, in this practice set 19 you all have used your graph book, so you already are having your graph book, so you can draw practice set 21 on graph paper. Otherwise you can take the printout, or you can take the Xerox of this page number 42, and you can draw on that Xerox the symmetrical figures and stick it in your notebook. You can do anything. Either you can use your graph book, or you can make the Xerox of this and you can draw its figure, symmetrical figure. So I will be using my graph book. Like this, I have drawn the figures on my graph exactly like this. Okay, can you see my figures are exactly like this? And now I will be showing you. I have written the question of practice set 21 on this line side of my page, and now I will be drawing the exactly symmetrical figures from these figures. Let us do it. So check it, this line goes till this first bold line. So same thing we will do in the downward direction, extension of this line till the first bold line. I will be using my pencil for this. Okay, like this. Then this line is going till this line. See that? You can draw the dotted line and then you can rub it afterwards. It is up to you how you are going to draw it. See, exactly coincide with this. Now see, after from this point it reaches till this point. Okay, so how many lines are there in between? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this one is 8 line. So same thing I will be doing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5 is bold line. 6, 7, 8. Till 8 I will be drawing this line like this. See, I have drawn like this. Then after that the horizontal line is there till this bold line. So same thing I will do here. Till this bold line I will be drawing a horizontal line. See, now from this point the line goes in the downward direction, our line will go in the upward direction. Totally opposite we will have to do. So above this bold line, it is first line. So my line should be till this point. In this way I will have to join it. Okay. Now next I will have to draw one horizontal line till this point. And then I will be joining this. So this figure which I have drawn in downward direction with my pencil is exactly matching with this figure. If I fold this paper, graph paper from this line L, these two figures will come on each other and they will match with each other. Same thing we will have to do here in the second diagram also. Let us do it. First we draw this horizontal line. See, this horizontal line is still, how many lines are there in between? The small lines, 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can measure the small lines and you can draw like that. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Till 6 I will be drawing this horizontal line and will join with this point. Okay. Now second line comes till, how many lines are there in between the small lines? 1 2 3 4 5. This is 5 6 7. Okay. So in this way I have joined, and then this point is matching, this point is matching with 1 2 3, third line. So same thing I will be doing here. 1 2 3. Can you see? So this is matching like this. Now this horizontal line is still first point. Okay, so here I will be drawing like this, and now this is matching with 1 2 3 4. So this figure is exactly same to this left hand side figure, right hand side figure. If I fold this my graph page from this line of axis, these two figures will exactly match with each other. They will come exactly on each other. Now let us draw this triangle. You can measure these lines 1 2 3 4, or you can either make the points See children, there is very little space here on the right hand side, so I have drawn this diagram below again, and I will be drawing the symmetrical figure of this triangle in the upward direction. So exactly taking this much distance, and you can draw the points over here. So I have measured this, how many lines are there from this line of axis till this point. So I can see that there are 9 lines. So from this also I have measured 9 lines and I have put a point. Then from this point till this point, from the line of axis till this point, there are 26 lines. So I have measured 26 lines and I have made the point over here. Same thing I have done here from this line to this point. How many lines are there? Small lines. See that there are 10 lines are there. So from this point to this point also I have measured 10 lines and I have put a point. I have plotted the point. Now I will be joining this. See, I am joining this so that I can get the exactly same figure of the previous one. So if I fold this from line, these two triangles will exactly match with each other. So in this way you can draw these figures in your graph and draw the symmetrical figures of given figure. So So in this way we have completed our lesson number 7, symmetry. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.